Hey guys, Connor here again with another tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to get your avatar compiler via Bookmark. And I'm going to try make this video as short as possible. So let's get started. This is possible on PC and mobile, by the way. So I'll put timestamps up on screen for each device. Alright, so for PC, head over to the site and you should see this little avatar compiler button right here. You want to go ahead and drag this to your bookmarks bar. If you don't see this on your screen, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus B at the same time and it should pop up. So like this right here, I'm turning it on and off. So after you've dragged it to the bookmark bar, that's pretty much it. After this, you should be able to just click on the bookmark and it should give you the texture instantly. Alrighty, so that should be it for PC. I'm going to head over to mobile and try this out again. This time it will be slightly more complicated, so just follow along. Go to the site and then click the 4 dots at the bottom right, then add to bookmarks. Once done, you want to go ahead and copy the code in the compile avatar. Go to the 4 dots again, then the star icon bookmark page. And you should see row template. We are going to go and edit that. Select it and press more, then edit bookmark. Now we are just deleting the bookmark and replacing it with the code we just copied. Basically, we are done from this point forward. Just head over to the 4 dots again, then bookmarks, then press on the script that we just saved, and boom, the texture pops up. Okay, so this video took like forever to make because of all the micro editing and whatever, so I would really appreciate a like on the video. Subscribe, and that's all from me. Goodbye.